Hey, what's going on, everyone? Neil Henderson here from Clearview Plastics in Sacramento, California. And today I want to show you something awesome that we've been working on. For all you animal lovers out there, check this out. Okay, so this is our newest innovation out of Clearview Plastics, and this is our small animal enclosure. We designed this so that small animals like cats, rabbits, ferrets, in a general use enclosure for smaller animals to kind of be able to rest and play. So the reason that I came up with this is we've got an at-home cat and we foster kittens once in a while, and I wanted to have an enclosure for our cat to be able to kind of rest, relax, and play. And so also our cat, he's an indoor and outdoor cat, and so with this I can put this enclosure inside, but we can also put it outside so that I know that when he's outside he's got a home where he can be housed from the weather, and so that he can kind of hide from potential predators as well. And so in general, I really just wanted to have a safe place for him to be able to rest and play. So a little bit more about this small animal enclosure that we make here at Clearview Plastics is overall the size is 2 feet wide by 2 feet deep and 2 feet tall. It can be used indoor and it can be used outdoors. It's made with long-lasting, durable materials, and it's designed to be a place where your pets can rest and play with privacy and protection. Lastly, we make these here at Clearview Plastics, and when we make these, we design them so that they look good inside the home and so that you can use them outside as well. So again, my name is Neil Henderson, and I'm the owner over here at Clearview. And if you aren't familiar with us, we actually make these enclosures right in this shop in Sacramento, California. And so if you have any questions or want to learn more, head on over to our website. It's clearviewplastic.com, and I hope to see you there. Have a good one. Thanks.